Hi again. A very good evening. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Farm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Cheers to you on a lovely cup of refreshing cha. And in the night before I really hit the sack, sometimes I wonder, can they have an option of giving us a Sophie Robo, because would make life a lot easier and stuff and all that. But nevertheless, the post is not about chai, coffee, or whatever. The post is about an interesting decor tip and stuff. It is doable. It is extremely easy. And now that we have the festive season coming in. We've got not Diwali, not Dussehra, not Christmas, not New Year, but we've got the Halloween happening. So here's a tip for you guys. First of all, keep your rooms and spaces clean and stuff. And this is something different, which not too many people in India would at least be aware of, or they would have seen too much in their homes or other spaces and stuff. If they have, great. If they have not, please listen to me. What you could do is, you get this pumpkin. So you get an artificial pumpkin, and it could be either metallic or a wood look, whatever. Choice is yours and stuff. And you place that on a table in the lobby, in the bedroom, in your TV room, in your library, in your studio, in your office. And in that particular pumpkin, the artificial pumpkin, you can actually decorate it with flowers and stuff in a very beautiful, sophisticated manner. If not that, and you want to get a little more creative and more fun, you can actually use that to place your wine bottles or your alcohol bottles and stuff like that. So you can also have green plants in those. So the choice is yours. For men and boys, if they prefer, they can have bottles placed in that, as you would do in a beer bucket, or a beer basket or whatever, or in a wine chiller or whatever. But ideally, to decor up the house and the space, you could do this easy, doable one, which is like I just said, have a metallic, or a wood look pumpkin or a wood pumpkin, and you place beautiful flowers in those. I'll just share those pictures and see the little stuff in life, daily life, which kind of makes you feel good. You can get kind of connected to nature anywhere. And I shared this many months back and years back, that since climate is a concern, probably people in the community can benefit. And in one of the started forums, I've also shared this and stuff, that each one of us could carry maybe one or two plants and do our own bit, and have them nicely and aesthetically placed on a table. Leave it in your office till the time you are, and if you're not there, you can probably carry it back or whatever. You'll also start learning how to kind of maintain plants, and kind of maybe some new ideas will come in, what kind of plants you can have, and your thought process can be around that as well. So love and luck, and take care, and have fun, and have a blast. And cheers to you once again. And without looking at only the negatives, yes, being aware is good, but we could always look at the focus. We could always focus on the positive of a better climate, and better AI, better robots and stuff like that, because it can be so useful in a lot of ways. I mean, if I have, let's say, I'm not well and I've got neck cervical, and I'm not well, and I'm got no help at home, probably I could just have a robo operated or whatever, and taking care of my stuff, cleaning up or chores, or probably just doing some interesting stuff for me. And of course, if something goes wrong with the wiring and stuff, it could definitely be the shit out of a lot of things and stuff. So love and luck, and take care. Let's look at technology also in a positive manner. We have I think a 6-year-old or a 4-year-old prodigy representing us in various forums now, talking very positive about it. So looking at the brighter side and the positive side is a good idea. And if you can teach those children, and you can teach adults and senior citizens to maintain the balance and stuff, I think maintaining technology and looking at it in a positive manner is always easy. It's not that bad. I mean, if I have switched off all the negativity of my walls, and I'm not following pages I don't like, people I don't follow, Facebook becomes a great experience for me. So it's actually a question of choice, and it's a question of discipline as well. So love and luck, and take care. Have fun. And here's another bottle. This is got this money plant. This is easy to maintain and enjoy yourself, and you can deck up your rooms and spaces with stuff like this. This is semi-precious stone coasters and some interesting stuff lying here and there. So you can get in touch with me if you'd like to, and our prices, I'd already said, are much cheaper, and we can design them for you, and we can put in your name there for you. We can do the branding for you and stuff, and quality is something we really stand for. And of course, if you'd like to kind of get in touch for consistent supply to your showrooms or to your offices and to your corporate brands and stuff, please do write into me on jkapani@gmail.com and justinkapani.im@gmail.com. And love and luck, and take care, have a blast. And if you're looking at sourcing also, you could get in touch, and prices are, like I said, much cheaper. And you can drop into my office at sector 8 Noida, and I'll be more than happy to connect and take things further with you. So love and luck, and cheers, and happy Halloween in advance, and hope you all have a blast and good fun, and rock it up. And cheers to you on a lovely chai. So this one's got this amazing black pepper, and it's got this ginger in it. It's the most refreshing, and I've tested my willpower a number of times. I've given up on beer, so I find this extremely healthy and